Hello everyone, myself Ashwan V.S. Devang, currently pursuing BTech in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. So today I'm here to explain my assignment 1 for the subject Deep Learning and LLM, and also my assignment topic that is CNN Optimization Alarm versus RMS Prop. So guided by Chaitra Ma'am, Assistant Professor of AI Department, GM University, Davangere. So we know that the CNN optimizations, that is a convolutional neural network. So in this, there is an we are going to compare Adam versus RMS prop with these two sectors. We are going to compare which is better and accredited one. Okay, and team members, myself Ashwin VS Devang. An introduction. Objective. Compare the effective of Adam and RMS prop on convolutional neural network. As I said, training performance, we are going to predict this. Dataset used the CIFAR 10 image dataset, that is 10 classes of 32 into 32 color images. CNN. CNN is nothing but that is used for image processing. So we have used 32 into 32 color images. Goal to determine which optimizer provides superior validation accuracy and loss stability for the CNN model. So in this CNN, there is a two, that is Adam and RMS. So in these two, we are going to predict which is a better one and which is the optimized provider supervision we are going to predict. And a CNN architecture, the architecture consists of multiple convolutional 2D layers interspaced with max pooling 2D to extract hierarchical features. A drop-to zero point 0.5 layer was included before the final dense layer to prevent overfitting. So why we are using dropout layer? Because we need to prevent overfitting where the model accuracy will be not okay if we do a manual. So we are using dropout layer, that is a zero point 0.5. Data was pre-processed by normalizing pixels values and one hot encoding the labels. Okay, and methodology. Adam Optimizer. So, what is the methodology in Adam Optimizer? Is calculates adaptive learning rates for each parameter by combining the benefits of RMS prop and momentum. So, when we come into the Adam, so it is going to combine the benefits of RMS prop and also momentum of it, and it stores both an exponentially decaying average of past gradients and squared gradients. Adam often leads to faster convergence and is generally considered the robust default choice for deep learning tasks. Okay, and coming to RMS, root mean squared propagation adapts the learning rate by dividing it by an exponentially decaying average of a squared gradients. So in the previous one, we have dividing the Adam, but here we are going to dividing the squared gradients for the RMS problem. This helps mitigate issues with exploding gradients in unstable recurrent natural neural network, and it is specifically designed to handle oscillations in steep ravines of the cost functions, promoting smoother design. Validation accuracy over 20 epochs. We have used for 20 epochs. So where the 20 times it is going to execute and it is going to try. Adam achieved a higher final validation accuracy of 73.3%. This is my accuracy. I will show in my coding part. RMSprop finished with a lower final validation accuracy, that is 71.27. The Adam curve generally showed the smoother, consistent gains towards the final performance level. Okay, so let's. I will go with that coding part. Then we will get a clear, exact view of the architecture view. Okay, and coming to conclusions. So compared to RMS prop and Adam optimizers, we will get an accurate comparison of the two in a CNN model. So I will just go with that values. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So here I have used a lot of data set, and you can see here I have used a TensorFlow and MATLAB because I need to give graph protection. So I have used that like that, and here I have used the training and testings. So the model is going to train at 80% and test as for 20%. Okay, now this is my coding part. After running, like you can see here, this is an Adam optimizer part, and this is an RMS prop optimizers. Okay, now after that, we are going to compare the results, which is better and which is not better. Okay, after training, as I mentioned, 20 pox I have used. So this is my 20 pox epochs I have used. Okay, so you can see here. So this is my validation curve. So accuracy comparisons, the Adam and RMS prop. So this is my two validation curve for my data set. Okay, and this is the loss one. Okay, to can we can see RMS prop have a some lot of loss in that, and also accuracy comparisons. We can see that ADA Adam is getting a more accuracy. Okay, and yeah, you can see that last final validation, that is around, that is 73%. As I mentioned, the graph curve is more greater than the RMS prop, and coming to RMS prop, that is a 71.227%. So this is my accuracy part, where for my data set. Okay, and this is what we have compared with the two RMS prop and also the Adam, which is the two sectors in CNN optimizations. So this is my assignment one, and thank you so much for this opportunity, and thank you for my guide. That is the Chaitra ma'am, assistant professor of AMI department, GM University. Thank you so much. See you in assignment two.